Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JCP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day in this one with a huge volume and a lot of people still watching it and talking about it. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done here. First I'm going to do is just get rid of that line up there. Sure, it still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible moving forward. First update that needs to be done, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So the first key level of resistance to now watch for going forward is right there at 22 cents. And to give some credit where credit's due, after a pretty nasty gap down, the price for the most part did a good job of just consolidating out, trying to, get some sideways movement here. And it did get it, but now the question becomes, can the price actually work its way up a little bit? And a good test of being able to work its way up is, well, first off, of course, can the price even budge up a little bit higher? But if it can and get to 22 cents, can it break above there? That'll be a very good test of any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. So 22 cents is going to be one of those levels that a whole lot of people will be watching moving forward. So keep a close eye on that. As far as new areas of support are concerned, definitely the level to watch now is right here at 17 cents. If you go through the history of the chart, you can see 17 cents acted as support, and then once again this morning acted as support. So again, another one of those levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. And I emphasize the fact that, a lot of people are going to be watching these levels because when lots of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements. So that's why both these levels are going to be very important. So again, 22 cents level of resistance, 17 cents level of support. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.